Um, Perfect. All right. Thank you very much, Chloe, for meeting with me this morning. Just as a brief introduction, I'm Emma Johnson. I'm one of the business development directors from the Society of Maritime Industries, with a focus on marine science and technology and maritime autonomous systems. And Chloe, would you just like to introduce yourself briefly?
Yeah, brilliant. So I'm Chloe. I'm working for Seekit International now. We design and operate uncrewed surface vessels in the industry. Recent graduate from Newcastle University studying naval architecture.
Brilliant, great, thank you. And the reason we're here today is obviously to talk about our Marine Autonomy Challenge, which you were part of last year. Obviously with Newcastle, when you're at Newcastle. So I'd just like to ask you a few questions about MAChallenge, if that's all right.
Yeah, absolutely.
Perfect. So first of all, what made you want to be involved with MAChallenge in the first place?
I think going back to growing up, I was always sort of sailing, being out in the water, and then during my A levels, I actually it's my project. I was working for computer science. It was on a sailing simulator, so I'd sort of gotten into it that way, and then going off to uni studying naval architecture. You do a lot of the theory engineering behind, say, structures and that side of it, but not so much control systems. So I quite liked the opportunity when I saw it to apply my knowledge to sort of a wider realm, I guess, and see how it could be integrated to make operations safer to look at the industry today and think how we could change it a little bit. And it was quite exciting, and it wasn't an assessed piece of coursework, so there was more freedom with a competition or a challenge outside of your studies to experiment with things and to work with new people and explore some new opportunities. And I think it was also about trying to get into the industry. So you obviously sit there doing all your lectures and things, but you don't get so much interaction with industry, whereas this was heavily industry sponsored. I knew that there was going to be mentors around and people who are working on these challenges today. So I was quite excited to speak to them as well.
Yeah, brilliant. That's great. And I guess a second question, did MAChallenge kind of change or expand your view of what the maritime sector is and maritime autonomy?
Yeah, definitely. I think being able to work with industry grade simulators and companies as well. We had Fraser Nash as our sponsor, and they were really good for helping us just at the beginning, just to understand the whole challenge and try and break it down a little bit, because we were a team of 5 people. So we had naval architects, electronic engineers, computer scientists, PhD through to undergrad first years. So it was a range of people in the team, and it was trying to bring everyone together in a way that would work and also understand what we're trying to work towards with it. So I think it was a really good opportunity just to understand that breakdown and know that you don't have to have all the solutions to each of the problems. I think we found that very quickly that none of us were experts in each individual or all of it, but individually we could bring something new to the table. And I think it's quite exciting, the opportunities that are there for the autonomous marine industry, and seeing it working for road, rail, everything. I think the ability to apply it to a marine situation is offering a lot of potential.
Yeah, definitely. And I guess obviously you're now working for Seekit, who are a sponsor of MAChallenge. And did MAChallenge help you get to where you are now, or kind of help you decide on the career you wanted?
It definitely reaffirmed my interest in this sector. I think talking to industry as well was really good, knowing that there's a lot of support out there. So a lot of the time we were maybe struggling with some things, and we could reach out to various support people and know that people were there on hand to help. And I've seen that coming into the job as well, that people are always around to help and support you in development. And if you want to have a go at something, then they're always willing to. And contacts was a big thing, as well as the confidence and some of the project work that we were doing. So just being able to talk through complex challenges with new people or people who maybe don't have as much of a background in that industry is quite a good opportunity to develop those skills and work towards a goal as well. We obviously had various hurdles along the way and various say extensions in time, so we were working towards certain deadlines and things for various parts of the project. So it was really good just management of our own skill sets and sort of offerings, because we had our studies alongside it. So
Yeah, brilliant, thank you. And final question from me. Just are you enjoying your job, and are you happy that you chose the maritime autonomy sector?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, building these uncrewed vessels, seeing them out on the water is yeah, a big moment for us. And I think working, say, on the naval architecture design side, but then also having an understanding of control systems and yeah, how it all works, and the safety side of it is really interesting. So yeah, I'm very happy with where I am, and yeah, a lot of new opportunities with decarbonisation, more into fuel cells, and yeah, that side of it. So there's a big range of opportunities. Yeah,
that's brilliant. Thank you so much, Chloe, and I wish you all the best of luck with your job, and I'm sure we'll catch up soon.
Yeah, thank you.